Welcome to PSM, Perfect Solution for Maths. Today we are going to learn very important topic, arithmetic progression. In that we are going to learn the exercise 5.3 for the NCERT and exercise 1.3 for the KSEB. The topic is sum of the first n terms of an AP. In that we are going to learn the first main, that is question 1. Find the sum of the following APs. So in that the first sub question 2, 7, 12, so on it is. You have to find sum of first 10 terms. Similarly, the second question minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, so on, and you have to find the sum of 12 terms. So on. Next, the third question 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, so on, and you have to find the sum of first 100 terms. The last question is 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, so on. You have to find the sum of first 11 terms. So this is a question. So we will go one by one. Let us solve. The first question, that is 2, 7, 12, so on. You have to find the sum of first 10 terms. So how to find this? So similar method, you have to apply the SN formula. The SN formula over here is nothing but SN is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the SN formula, and you may have one more SN formula, that is SN is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. But that formula we can apply only for first term and the last term if you have. But here we don't have the last term because the last term is not given. So we can't apply, so we have to go for this formula only. And 90% of case we are going to apply this formula only, not the first term and the last term formula. So how to do them? So what is the given thing we have to understand? The first term is given as 2, 7, 12, so on. The last term is unknown for us. So how to do this? The Sn means what is the n value they have told you to find. N value is nothing but the 10 terms, the sum of first 10 terms, so n is equals to 10. Next, what is the first term? Because we want here a value also. So n value we found. What is the a value? A value is the first term. The first term over here is nothing but what? 2. So 2 is the a value. Then we need one more, that is n is already found, d we want. So d, what is the d value? D is nothing but a2 minus a1. A2 means the second term. So second term is 7. The first term is 2. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, so d value we found, we know the a value and we know the n value. Substitute in the formula and you can find the answer. So what is the answer? S, how much they have told you to find? S 10, that is equals to n is 10 divided by 2 into 2 into a is nothing but over here is 2, the first term is 2, plus 10 minus 1 into d is over here 5. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 10 is a even number, so we can cancel over here only. So 5 is left. Bracket 2 to the 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 5. So 5 as it is, 4 as it is. First we have to multiply. 9 5s are how much? 45. So 45 plus 4 is 49. So bracket means into 49 we got. If you multiply that 5 with the 49, so how much it is? So you can go directly with the multiplication, or 5 you have to multiply with the 9, then you have to carry. If you will do like that too, it is okay. So 5 9s are 45, 4 you will be carrying, 5 4 the 20 plus 4 24. If you want to find this calculation very easily, I will bring one more video for you, how where you can multiply very easily, very quickly. So you can find that. So S10 is equals to 245. This is your answer. They have told you to find the sum of first 10 terms and you found that the answer is nothing but 245. This is our first question. Coming to the second question, here you have one more type of question, the same type of question, but here little bit change we have. That is nothing but the number which you can see over here is minus, having the negative symbol. That is the only one difference we have, and rest everything is similar method we have to follow. So n value to find, they have told you to find the 12th term. So n value directly we can write down 12. Then we need the a value. A value is nothing but the first term. First term is over here minus 37. Yes. So next we want the d value. D value is nothing but the a2 minus a1. So a2 is nothing but minus 33. The second term is minus 33 and the first term is minus, this minus we will write down as it is minus, but a1 value is minus 37, so that I will write in the bracket. Remember, some of you will make it wrong over here, that is directly what you will write minus 33, so I will write down minus 33 and a value is a1 value is minus 37, directly you will write minus 37. If you will write like this way, it is totally wrong, you are going to get a wrong answer. See here, d value a2 minus a1, a2 value is minus 33, yes correct, but this negative symbol we have minus sign, we have that we have to put first, then a value that we have to write, that having the negative symbol. So like this way we have to write down correctly. So minus 33 I will write down as it is, minus into minus it will become plus, so 37 as it is. So here greatest number having positive, that is number having the plus, so plus it is. So next 37 minus 33 is 4, so d value is nothing but plus 4. This is the first thing we have, which one we have to write down. Next one we have to find S12, because they have told you to find the sum of first 12 terms. So S12 is equals to, so formula you can write down first, so you can make it this, Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you can write down the thing, that is S12 you are to find. So n value is 12 divided by 2 into a value, first term is nothing but minus 37. See, the first term is minus 37 plus n value is 12 minus 1 into d is nothing but over here 4, we found that 4. So next calculation, 12 is a even number, so you can cancel, 2 ones are 2 6 are, so 6 will remain. Here you can see here 2 is having the symbol as plus, okay, plus into minus is minus, 37 2s are, that is 74. Next plus as it is, 12 minus 1 is nothing but 11 into 4. So next is 6 into minus 74 as it is. Here we have plus 11 4s are 44. BODMAS rule you have to follow, first multiplication then the addition. So next 6 as it is. What is the last thing what we can do over here? So here bracket means into, okay, bracket means into minus 74 plus 44. So greatest number having the negative symbol, so negative 74 and 44, both of them having not same symbol, that is one is negative one is positive. That time we have to minus the smallest number from the greatest, means 44 we have to minus from 74, means 74 minus 44, that is nothing but 30. Next we have to multiply this, so here 6 having the positive, plus into minus is minus, 6 3s are 18 and 0 we can write. This is also short cut of the multiplication. When you have last 0, so you have to leave as it is, you have to write down 0 first and then the next two numbers we have to multiply, so easy it is. So the final answer is nothing but minus 180. S12, the sum of the first 12 terms of the given AP is minus 180. Coming to the first and third question, here again little bit change we have. What we have over here is the numbers are fraction value. So the first one it was simple, second one it was a negative symbol, and third one question over here having the fraction value. How to solve this? The same method we have to follow once again. So first, if you want, you can write down the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and I have already told we can't apply the one more formula because the first term and last term is not given. So here n value, if you are coming to the n value they have told you to find is 100 terms, sum of the first 100 terms, so n value will become 100. Next one, the a value we want, a value is nothing but 0.6. See, this is the first fraction, that is 0.6 is the a value. Coming to the d value, that is nothing but a2 minus a1. What is a2 over here? That is a2 is nothing but 1.7. 1.7 minus 0.6, that is a1 value 0.6. So how much? So here it is easy. 1.7 in that 0.6 we have to minus. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Point we have 1 minus 0 is 1. So the d value will become 1.1. This is our basic what we need to calculate this Sn. So what is the n value? N value is 100. So we have to find which term? S 100 we have to find. N value is 100 by 2 into 2 into a value is 0.6. The fraction value, if you write it in a bracket, it is very good, or you have to write it clearly. So plus n value is 100 minus 1 into the d value is nothing but 1.1. So again I have written in a bracket because it is a fraction value. So the calculation, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10 and 0. So 50 is the first thing into, now you can see 2 into 0.6, the 2 have to multiply for the fraction 0.6. So 2 into 6 is 12. So 2 will, I will write down the point we have, 1 carry will be, we will have, and 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1.2 plus. So next what we want over here, the next one need, that is 100 minus 1, that is nothing but 99. So next one is 1.1 we have, that we can write down in into. So calculation part 50, 1.2 we have to keep it as it is. So very importantly 1.1 into 99, the 99 into 1.1, it is nothing but, so what we have to do, we can consider this 1.1 as 11. So multiplication is easy, make it 11. Afterwards we can put the point. So 11 9s are 99, carry 9, 11 9s are 99 plus 9 is 108. So like this way we can calculate. It will not be difficult. Then we can apply the point value. Point is over here, yes. So after one point we have one digit. So before one digit we have to put the point. That is the thing. So 108.9. So 50 into, okay, we will write directly into. So now you see that 108.9 plus 1.2. Now several students will go wrong over here. 1.2, if when we have that point, we have to keep below the point only. So 2 on this side and 1 is this side. Why I am giving this thing to you means, some of you will write like this way, 1.2. So you will do the calculation, you will go wrong. So for that purpose, so 9 plus 2 is 11, carry 1, 8, 9, 10, the point we have, so 0, carry 1 we have, so 0 plus 1 is 1, 1, 110.1. Remember this calculation. Last one, we have 50 into 110.1. So what we have to do over here? So I have to, last if you have 0, neglect the 0, the number 5 we have, 5 multiply for everything. So 5 1s are 5. Then don't put that point value, okay? So 5 zeros are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Lastly have 0, that I will put down 0. This 0 I have written over here. So lastly, after point, how many digits we have? One digit. See, this is one digit we have. So after, before that one digit we have to put the point. So what is the S100? S100 is nothing but 5505, and this is our final answer. Point 0 we have, that we can neglect, because after point, if you have 0, it can't be considered. So directly we can write down like this way. This is our first question in that third sub question. S100 they have told you to find, and this is our final answer. Coming to the first main fourth question. Again this question is again little bit change. What is the change? Here we can see we have the ratio, that 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, so on to the 11 terms. We have to find this. How to find this? Similar fashion we will follow what we have done previously. The same thing we have to do over here, and we have to calculate. So the first thing, we want the a value. What is the a value? A value is nothing but 1 by 15. Yes. So next one, we need a n value. How many terms, sum of how many terms they have told you to find? That is 11. So again there is a change. Till here we have learnt all the even numbers. Now we have the odd number as 11. Remember this. Next one, d value. D value is nothing but a2 minus a1. This is the most important part, because several members, again you will go wrong over here when you have like this way ratio, the 1 by 15, 1 by 12, like this way when you will have. So several members will go wrong over here. So d value how to find? A2 value they have given 1 by 12. Yes, here you can see 1 by 12 is the A2 value. A1 value is 1 by 15. The two things we have written over here, and most importantly both are the denominator having the not same number. We have 12 over here, here we have 15 over here. So both are not same, so we have to make it same. So how to make it same? So the simple thing is we have to take the LCM of it. So what is the LCM of this 12 and 15? That is the most important thing. So directly we can say that that is 60. Okay, so how to find that LCM? If you want to find the 12 and 15, you have to take the simple method. So what we will do over here, 3 4s are we will take, and 3 5s are, then you can say over here 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So here we will go for 5 1s. So this, all this thing we will multiply. 2 3 is 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 60 is LCM. Like this way we can find. So here I will write down that 60. So now importantly, what is the next step? The next step is thing is, so here you have to multiply that LCM. How much it is LCM? 60. So 12 ones are 12, 5 are 60. So 5 ones are 5. So here you have to write 5. Minus, here also you have to multiply the LCM, that is 60. 15 ones are 15, how much is 60? 4 are 60. So 4 ones are 4. So the last calculation, the d value we have to find. So we will continue. So d value I will write down here on the other side. So d value is equals to 5 minus 4, that is 1, divided by 60. So d value over here is 1 by 60. Remember, this is a calculation you must remember. So the next part we have to find the Sn. Yes. So how to find the Sn? The formula you know. Sn is nothing but what? Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here one thing you have to remember, the n value is 11, so S11 we have written, and here also I have written 11 by 2 into 2 into a value is 1 by 15. See here the ratio we got over here, so direct calculation is not possible. Plus n value is 11 minus 1 into d value is nothing but 1 by 60 that we got just now. So next one thing, so here we can't cancel, so I have telling that even number, when you have the n value as n value, we can directly calculate over here, but in this case we can't cancel because 11 by 2, in that 11 is a odd number, we can't cancel. So what we have to do over here, so we have to keep that 11 by 2 as it is into 2 ones are 2, because we can't cancel this 2 and this 15. So again 2 by 15, again we kept that as it is. Next part, again if you will move further, 11 minus 1 is 10 into 1 by 60. Again here you can see, here you have 10 and here you have 60, and we can cancel easily, that is 0 and this 0 we can cancel easily. But I will not cancel that 0, because if we will cancel then also you will going to get the correct answer. If you will not cancel also, you are going to get the correct answer. I will not delete this, means this 0 and this 0 I will not cancel. Why I am not going to cancel over here? Because over here you can see 15 we have, here we have 60. Yes. So again we have to take the LCM. So it is a lengthy process. So I will keep this 10 and 60 as it is. If you want you can cancel and you can get the same answer. Okay. So 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 10 ones are 10 divided by 60. So what is the LCM of the 11 by 2 will remain as it is, but what is the LCM of this 15 and 60? Because we need the same denominator. Again here we have to take the LCM. So what is the LCM? 15 and 60. Again you will go for this calculation part. So 50 and 16. Direct it is 15 ones are 15, 15 fours are. Understood? So 15 ones are 15, 15 fours are 4 ones are. So directly, sorry, 15 ones it is. So 15 fours are how much? 15 fours are 60. So LCM is nothing but here 60. Okay, if you are cancel this 0 and this 0, you are going to get the LCM as 30. Okay, so that if you will get the 30 also, it is the correct answer. So here but it is 60. So what we have to do now? Calculation. Here you have to multiply the LCM. So LCM is 60. 15 ones are 15 fours are 4 twos are 8. I written over here 8 plus again here I have to multiply the 60 LCM. 60 and 60 get cancelled. Remaining is 10. So the calculation part I will write down here. Next continuation, that is S11 we are going to find. So 11 by 2 as it is into, I will write directly into 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10 is 18 divided by 60. Okay, now the calculation is going to be easy. So here we can simplify. 6 3s are 18, 6 10s are. Those who got over that time here 30, when you are cancelled this 0 and this 0, so you are going to have the same answer over here. 11, now you have to multiply the numerator, 11 3s are 33 and divide by 2 10s are 20. So this is our S11. This is our final answer, because again simplification is not possible. One is odd number on the top and here is a even number, and both of them are will not cancel. Both of them are co-prime numbers because you can't cancel directly. So again not possible. So this is the final answer you can keep and you will get the marks also. So this is the sum of the first 11 terms of the given AP, that is 1 by 15, 1 by 12 and 1 by 10. Coming to the last, that is question for your work at home. So here you have find the sum of the following APs. The first one 0.9, 1.5, 2.1, so on. You have to find the sum of the first 100 terms. Second question is 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and up to you have to find the sum of first 21 terms. These are the two questions you have to try at home. This is all about today's video. Please support my channel, that is PSM, Perfect Solution for Maths. Please like, subscribe and share, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.